come for you! You! Yes, you! You must be wondering what's going on, huh? Well, let me tell you. I traveled east and west. Far and wide. I even had to resort to hitchhiking. Oh, to get my pig back. I did things I was not proud of. Come on! Tell me where it is! What have you done to my pig?
I don't know where it is, man.
Where is it? I fought many a villain. Traveled places I never thought I'd see. It met people that I was very not fond of. You tell them Pablo Diego Francisco del Choro sent you. But all this will be worth it. All because this man stole my guitar pick. All because this pick, the pick of prophecy, foretold I would perform in a place such as this. A studio worthy of the gods. But this man, this beast of a man, stole it from me. And now, I've come to take it back.
Looking for this?
Give it to me, or you will suffer the consequences.
Let me make you a deal. You want it? Come and take it.
Head Rock Productions. Rack 'em.